Hi everyone, Nishka here from Eureka with another fun unboxing for you today. But before I get started, just a quick reminder, check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. Okay, so what I have here is another brand new collection for December. So let's take a look inside and see what we got. Look at these soft colors. Oh, so pretty. All right, so here we have our beautiful image. Oh, that's so pretty. These beautiful swans. This pastel wonderland here. And as usual, we have our list of products, but first, this little paragraph that just sets the mood. Tranquil lake, flower petals, picturesque scene, so lovely. Swan Lake Collection. Oh, it's one of my favorite ballets. And here we have a list of all of the products included and the specific SKUs for the item. So you just go ahead, type that in our search bar at eurekacrystalbeads.com, and then you will find the exact item if you need to order more. And look at all this stuff. All right, well, let's take a look at the beads, shall we? I am loving these colors. So much stuff in here. Woo! Everything's going flying. All right, I'm gonna get all this stuff organized and we will take a look at it one at a time. Okay, first up, as usual, are our seed beads. These are the seed beads in tubes that we have in this collection. We have some beautiful Tohos, 3 tubes of Tohos and 3 tubes of Miyuki. So you get a nice mix here. We have around 15 O's in this beautiful, beautiful pale metallic pink and a matching color in size 11. So you have 15 and 11 in the same color, which is really nice. We also have a larger size 8 in this like really pretty blue-green finished, gorgeous, gorgeous color. Love that. And then for our Miyuki tubes, we have some, let's see here. This is a mix of some 11 O's. A really pretty mix also with a blue-green, everything pulling from this beautiful lake color. And then we also have some delicas here in this like really soft, very lustrous pink color. And we also have some bugle beads, and this one is sort of a matte rainbow finished color. Really pretty. And just as a quick reminder, our Toho tubes are sold by the tube, so they are completely full, as you can see. And our Miyuki tubes are sold by weight, so they will not always be full, as you can see here. But you always find the right weight inside of your tubes. We also have one more in our selection of seed beads, and it's actually a Czech seed bead from Preciosa, and look at this beautiful pink. I absolutely love this color, and you get a huge strand here. This is a lot of beads. It's a 6-string hank. So You're going to get a lot out of this. Okay, next up we have some check glass. So we have this really beautiful, delicate strand of fire polish, and these are 2 millimeters, so these are tiny. You can take a look at how pretty and tiny in this very soft, glowy, suede snowflake color. Very pretty. And then we also have a couple of really interesting shapes of beads here. We have flower petal beads. These are really, really pretty. And they have this really interesting shape. You can actually check out one of the shorts on our channel that shows you how you can use these in crochet, for example. But there's lots of other fun projects you can do with this shape, which we will have more of coming soon. And it's this like pretty pink color, but it has like a little sheen of like almost green iridescence on it. So just really love that. We also have a strand of lentil beads here, and these are in crystal AB. So they have that aurora borealis sparkle on them. And lentil beads are like, well, they are shaped like they sound. They have a flattened sort of round shape with one hole at the top. And these are also really fun and interesting, like little medallions. But that's not it for the check glass. We also have some check glass in tubes. We have some ginkgo beads, which are really popular for a lot of designs. They're very versatile. You can do really interesting things with them because they kind of plug into each other if you set them upright. So you will find that they have a lot of potential for really pretty projects. These are 2-hole beads, and we also have another 2-hole bead here, which is a gem duo, which is a diamond-shaped bead with a little bit of a flat bottom and a little bit of a top that's got this light little point going on, and also 2 holes. And this one's in this pretty little pink color. Next up, we have our Krakowski crystal pearls, and these are just absolutely gorgeous. I love these 2 colors in combination. We have this sort of minty but matte 4 millimeter, and we have this 3 millimeter in this beautiful like rose gold and super shiny. And you get so many beads on these strands. You're gonna get 135 of the 3 millimeters and 100 of the 4 millimeter pearls. Aren't they just lovely? They go so well with this color scheme. But that's not it for the Krakowski crystal. We also have this gorgeous selection of beautiful Krakowski stones. This is a 12-piece mix. We have some chatons in here. We have cushions and rivolis in 2 sizes. Absolutely stunning. So many color options, so much to play with here. And our Krakowski crystal, as you know, is super popular, and it's really high quality finished crystal, so it's great for all the projects you want to work on. Okay, next we have Preciosa bicones, and this is a package of 40 beads, and you are going to just love the way these sparkle in this gorgeous blue color. And these are 4 millimeter bicones. Next we have 2 strands of Chinese rondelles. And these are really pretty. I love this color. This is a really nice turquoisey green color, and you have this pretty pink One of them is matte and the other one is sparkly. They're both 2 by 3 millimeters, and they have approximately 180 beads on each strand. And finally, last but not least, we have a selection of findings in rose gold color. So we have a very petite little clasp with a toggle and bar, a few little connectors, a larger clasp, like a button clasp with a little bit of really nice patina on it that matches actually the color scheme here, some ear wires, and of course, a really beautiful set of swan charms. These are so cute and lovely. So that's it for our beautiful swan collection. I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing, and I hope you enjoy the collection even more. And I can't wait to see all the beautiful things y'all be making with it. Anyway, thanks for stopping by today, and we will see you next time. Bye!